If you're seeing the Microsoft Word error that says use the Home tab to apply, don't worry. This is usually a formatting issue, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a quick and easy word fix, and it works especially well when the problem is tied to captions, headings, or styles that need to be reapplied. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, highlight the text that is showing the error. This is important because Word needs to know exactly which part of the document you want to repair. Once the text is selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. The Home tab is where all of your main formatting tools and style options are located. Now look for the Styles gallery. In that section, click the correct style for the selected text. For example, if it's a caption, choose Caption. If it's a title or section heading, choose Heading 1 or the style that matches your document structure. Reapplying the correct style often clears the error instantly because Word is refreshing the formatting behind the scenes. If the issue is happening on a figure caption or a table caption, there is one extra step you should do to make sure everything updates properly. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select the entire document. This tells Word to apply the update across the whole file instead of just one line. After that, press F9 to refresh all fields and captions. This is a very important step because Word often stores captions and references as fields, and pressing F9 forces Word to update them. If the error came from a broken style, outdated field, or caption that wasn't refreshed correctly, this should fix it. After the update finishes, click around the document and make sure the formatting now looks correct. If the text still looks off, repeat the process and make sure you selected the exact style that belongs to that text. In many cases, the issue is caused by accidentally editing a caption or heading manually instead of letting Word manage it through styles. That's why using the Home tab and applying the proper style is the right fix. Once you've done that, your document should behave normally again, and the error message should disappear. So to recap, highlight the text, go to Home, reapply the correct style, select the whole document if needed, and press F9 to update everything. This is one of the fastest ways to fix the Microsoft Word. Use the Home tab to apply error without having to rebuild your document from scratch. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.